Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your plant into a seed with reclaimer and grow a garden. So first of all guys, make sure you have reclaimer and then you're going to click on the plant that you want to turn into a seed. For example, I'm going to select my moon melon, okay? And then you will get this question, are you sure you want to reclaim this? And then I'm going to click on confirm. As you can see, this plant will be destroyed and turned into a seed. I'm going to click on confirm. Alright, now it's done. The moon melon has been picked up. Okay, and then you will be able to replant the seed on your garden. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn the plant into a seed with reclaimer and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.